In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in Pepperstone. Before we dive in, a quick refresher. Leverage lets you control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, which can amplify both gains and losses. A higher ratio lowers the margin required per trade, while a lower ratio gives you more cushion. Choose carefully, and make sure it aligns with your risk tolerance and the rules that apply to your account type and region. Start by heading to the Pepperstone website and signing in to your secure client area. Once you're in, look for the area that manages your accounts. This is usually labeled Accounts or Account Settings. You'll see your trading accounts listed there. If you keep more than one, such as Razor, Standard, or a demo, remember that leverage is set per trading account, not for your entire profile. That means changing it on one account won't affect the others. Pick the specific account you want to update and open its details page so you can view the current settings. Inside the account details, locate your current leverage. You should see a Change Leverage button or a small edit icon next to the existing ratio. Click that to open the list of available options. The choices you see depend on your eligibility and where your account is regulated. For some clients, the list might include ratios such as 130, 150, 100, 200, and up to 500, while others will see lower caps due to local regulations or retail versus professional status. If you don't see the ratio you want, it likely means your account type or region doesn't permit it. Select the leverage that best fits your strategy, then confirm your choice. You may be asked to acknowledge a risk notice, and the system will apply the change. In many cases, the update is visible right away in your account summary, but allow a moment for it to process. If anything looks off, refresh the page and check the account details again to make sure the new ratio is showing. As a best practice, review how the new leverage affects your margin requirements by checking your account metrics after the change. The available margin and required margin per trade can shift significantly when you adjust leverage, so it's important to understand the impact before placing new orders. Keep in mind that regulations in your jurisdiction determine the maximum leverage available, and some account types are intentionally limited for client protection. That's it. You've updated your leverage in Pepperstone quickly and safely. Make thoughtful adjustments, verify the change in your account area, and trade within a risk level you're comfortable with.